Hey everyone, Ryan Carter here. Welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. This time I want to show you a little bit about SEO on websites and how you can make the most of your SEO and make those search engines pay attention to you and send you some traffic and some people to read your blog and to interact with your content that you make. So if you look down here on this page, this is the contact page on Tony's site, thtravel.com. Check it out if you want to. He's got a really cool site with some cool images on it. But anyway, down here is Yoast SEO, which is the best SEO plugin out there. It's got a lot of features, even more than I would use actually, but it's really good. And you'll see kind of the snippet. This is kind of how Google will see your website. This is the content of the page. Here's the URL. Here's the actual link that you'll see in Google. Now, what's really great about this plugin is down below here, it shows you all of the things you can do to make this page amazing for search engines. And the reason none of this is done, it's not because Tony's slacking or anything. It's just a brand new site. We haven't really done a lot of this to the pages or the posts yet. We're just getting started on this site. So, but this is what you can do. Let me just kind of show you what you can do. No focus keyword was set for the page. If you don't set a focus keyword, no score can be calculated. So what you're going to do here is you look at the title. Here's the URL. That's important too. The piece of the URL that tells it what the page is. That's the best way to have it, is just the post name. And you can always change that if you go down to settings, permalinks. That's where you change what links you have on your site, all your pages. But down here, you can put in a focus keyword. And what that is you want to put in a keyword that will tell the search engines, this is what this page is. It's kind of similar to the title or something very, very similar to what you have on the page. On this page, I would recommend the keyword contact. So that's what you want. And if you notice now, here it changed what we have to do. It doesn't say the thing about the focus keyword at the top. See if I take it out again? Now it says no focus keyword was set. So if we set that like we were trying to do here, it'll take that away and it'll say, oh, all right, see, look, now the focus keyword does appear in the URL. So that matches, it's good. You've never used this focus keyword before. That's very good too. So it'll kind of tell you if you're doing the right things or not. It's really great to tell you that stuff. So we'll do that and we'll update the page. And if you notice up here next to the move to bin button, this is your SEO stoplight, and it's same over here. It'll tell you how good your SEO is for this page or post. Right now it's yellow because we still have a lot we can do. See SEO score. We have a lot we can do to actually make this page better. So the text contains 14 words. This is far too low and should be increased. Normally they want about 100 to 200 words on a page. That actually will help. You probably won't have that much content on a contact page, so sometimes that's something you can ignore and that's okay. The page title contains 20 characters, which is less than the recommended 35 characters. That's another problem. But on a contact page, that's fine. You don't want more than that. You want something called contact. That's what it is. No links appear on this page. Consider adding some as appropriate. So what I would do actually on this page, Tony's got a page builder in here where you can go build kind of some page stuff. But what I would do is in the content, whether you're doing it in the WordPress text editor or the page builder here that we have installed, I would put in there a lot of the links to your social media accounts on your contact page. And the reason for this is it improves SEO because it will see links to reputable sites. That's part of the SEO here. So if it sees a link to Facebook, if it sees a link to Twitter, if it sees a link to all those places, it will add credibility to your site and make Google and Bing and all the search engines to go, oh, this page is legit. This person's trying to build a good site. And so it will give you more credibility and it will up your ranking in the search engines. That's a great way to do that, is put in your social media accounts, because you do have an account on a, Facebook is a top site, Twitter's a huge site. And so those sites and other ones like that, Tumblr, anything like that that you have, I would put on this page. LinkedIn is a great one too. So I would put all that on this page, however you do it with Page Builder or text editor. And that allows your SEO to actually see it. And what they want here, they'll tell you right here, you want to put links in the page, and the focus keyword needs to be in the first paragraph of the copy. So wherever the first words on the page are, no matter how you do it up here, you want to put the focus keyword, so in this case it's contact, you want to put that in the first paragraph because that's what the search engines look for. It's telling you what they want, and so you can do it and make your site better that way. Also, no images appear in this page. You don't need to put images on every single page, especially if you have a contact page that looks this cool. You don't want to have an image there, but you might consider putting like a small image over here of your face or something to make it feel more personal, and that will actually up your SEO value as well. The meta description is something you also need to put in. You can do that here. That's up here. You can actually click edit snippet, and this meta description is something you want to put in. You can use content from the page, that's fine, but often it's better to say something here about the page and put your focus keyword in this meta description. That will help your SEO efforts as well. So that will actually help a lot. So you want to do that, close that snippet editor. And so that's how to fix a lot of these things. And if you get as close as you can, also how it reads, if it's good sentence structure and grammar, that's there too. The keywords, all these things, you can kind of look at all these things. The content analysis, you can kind of click this for a little bit more info. The post they have there really helps. So, but that's how you get really good SEO on all of your pages and posts. Again, sometimes you don't want to do all those things because it is a contact page and other pages like that. You want to do that more on posts, more on your blog posts, because you'll have a lot more content to use. You can actually put a sentence in here as your focus keyword if that's better. You can actually look up on the Google Keyword Planner, if you want to go there, you can look up what better keywords are. So you can look up the best focus keywords by how many people search for that, and that will help up your traffic a little bit. And if you do that over the course of 100 blog posts, that's how your site starts to get traffic and stuff. So anyway, this is how you use Yoast SEO. It's a very good plugin. It helps a lot to know what to do to make your SEO better for your website. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video.